E E E geek geek. E obat. My batok team. Ih, ih. What is that? I don't know. Something normal. Eh? No, that's the batok team. Let's run. Oh, what? I heard something cough. I think just randomly here. Just go back inside. Yes, my batuk team is exploding. Yay! I need to hide. Let's hide here. I think it's coming. Let me hide here. Ginggang guli 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 gang gang geng gong gong gweng gong. Yee. Wait. Come on, guys. Hey, let's hide here. Oh, Simon's here as well. Oh yeah, let's hide here together, guys. Oh yeah, let's just go. Hey, what are you doing? Oh! Rem! 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 What is happening? Oh, now the guy hide here. You think this place is better? It's... Oh. Wait. Connor, what are you doing here? Fressy? So like I know what happened. So like the place before looked so good, and then the cough team destroyed them all. So it's like all destroyed. Oh, that's bad. Yeah, and this became a hiding spot. Let's hide here then. Great. Maybe it's great. Let's hide here. Come on. Fine. I can also hide here. Yeah. Why? The cough team is like behind me now. Wait, where are them? What's that? Let me get out a bit. What's that sound? Oh no. Oh, I think this is an alarm. Oh no, they're coming.